In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use frames in Canva. Frames are a really simple but powerful way to make your designs look more professional. They let you place your photos or images inside different shapes, like circles, letters, or fun graphic outlines, without having to manually crop or mask anything. I'll walk you through the basic process step by step so you can start using them confidently in your own designs. First, open the Canva design you want to work on in the editor. Once your design is open, look over to the toolbar on the left side of the screen. This is where you'll find most of the tools you'll use in Canva. Click on the option labeled Elements. When you do that, the Elements panel will slide open on the left. Inside this panel, scroll until you find the section called Frames. Depending on your screen size, you might need to scroll a little, or you can type frames into the search bar at the top of the panel to bring them up quickly. Once you're in the frames section, you'll see a variety of shapes and styles you can use. Simple rectangles, circles, and also more creative shapes. Take a moment to browse through the frames and choose one that fits your design. When you find a frame you like, click it once. Canva will automatically add that frame to your design canvas. You can then click and drag the corners of the frame to resize it, or drag it around to position it exactly where you want it on the page. If you change your mind, you can always delete it or choose a different frame. Now it's time to add an image into that frame. You can use a photo you've already uploaded, or you can choose one from Canva's built-in library. To use your own image, go to the Upload section on the left and pick the image you want. To use a stock photo, stay in the Elements panel and click on Photos, or type what you're looking for in the search bar. Once you've found the image you want, click and hold it, then drag it over the frame on your design. As you hover over the frame, you'll see the image snap into place and automatically take on the shape of the frame. Release the mouse, and your photo will now be perfectly contained inside that frame shape. You can double-click the framed image if you want to adjust which part of the photo is visible. Drag the image around inside the frame until it looks just right, then click outside the frame to confirm. And that's it. You've successfully used a frame in Canva to give your image a clean, polished look.